I don't understand this. You're dancing this morning.
Allow me please, I am dancing because I have gained access into the animation masterclass by Sir Jimedum. Soon, I will start doing videos like this one.
Seriously? Was it that easy and cheap?
He made it affordable, and besides I was among the first 20 people, so I paid 1,000 naira. Those who are not among the first 20 will have to pay 3,000 naira.
Still very cheap. I will enroll my son, Francis. Just give me his contact please.
Alright, check your WhatsApp, I have sent it. Save his contact, go to his status and click the link to join.